through the quiet fields of silver, where the twilight softly roams, I see a steed of shining white, with eyes that know the winds of home. Oh, the steed that leads me home, where the ancient rivers flow, through the night and fallen snow. He carries all the light I've known, the steed that leads me home. With every beat of hoof so gentle, he stirs the memories in my chest of distant hills and whispered songs, of places where my heart can rest. Oh, the steed that leads me home, where the ancient rivers flow, through the night and falling snow. He carries all the light I've known, the steed that leads me home. Across the frost, beneath the moon, he rides like hope, returning soon.